Hello, Be. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo na patuloy na stay healthy, maglingkod sa Panginoon, at maging maganda palalo. At ingat lagi. God bless you. At maging masaya yung araw ng kaarawan mo, yung birthday mo sa araw na yon. At patuloy na tuloy-tuloy lang sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. God bless you, Be. Love you. Miss you.
Hello, Be! Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Ayan. So, today is your birthday. So, ang wish ko ay stay as sweet as you are, stay as beautiful as you are, and always remember, serve the Lord with all your heart, with all your might, and put God first in everything you do. Amen? And as well as don't forget, Ben, I'm just 1 kilometer away from you. Ayun. Again, Ben, happy and blessed birthday sa iyo. Sana maging masaya ka ng hindi lang sa araw na to, kundi sa lahat ng panahon ng iyong birthday. Maging masaya ka. At lahat ng plano mo, na every plans na you want to fulfill ay ma-fulfilled mo. Kaya again, Be, happy birthday from Mami Yul.
Hello Jade, how are you? At salamat sa Panginoon at nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon upang kami ay makapagbigay ng pagbati sa iyo ng isang happy birthday. Happy 25th birthday. Napakabilis ng panahon. Naalala ko nung ilang taon ng birthday mo, 18 birthday mo, nito lumindol. Pero salamat sa Panginoon na lumipas ang napakaraming araw, ay 25 ka na pala sa mundong ito. Ganun pa man, binabati ka namin ng isang maligaya at pinagpalang kaarawan. Nawa ay i-bless ka lalo ni Lord. Amen. God bless you, Jade. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. We love you with the love of the Lord.
Hi Jade, happy 25th birthday. We thank God for your life and your faithful service in the church. Patuloy kang gamitin ng Panginoon bilang pagpapala sa iba. May God guide you, strengthen you, and fill your heart with joy, so much love, and peace. We miss you, Miss Daka. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jade. God
Ingat
bless
ka
you.
palagi, nak. God bless.
Hello. Happy birthday. Sorry kung maingay kasi sa labas lang ako nag-record, but ayun nga. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day for your birthday, and I pray that you'd be successful in whatever endeavors you have with your life, whether it's like career choices, mga decisions mo, whatever. I hope you would be successful in that, and I will continue on supporting you with whatever. And yeah, stay healthy, eat a lot of vegetables. I mean, you do eat a lot of vegetables, so ayun lang. Enjoy your day, and I hope you like my gift for you. And yeah, again, happy birthday. Bye-bye. I love you.
Hello, Ate Jade, my sister, my boss, my student, my passenger princess, my old chef, my makeup artist, my outfit checker, and especially my wallet. Joke lang yun. Joyeux anniversaire. Happy 25th birthday. So, benching ko ka na pala, no? 25 ka na. 25 years old. Dami na rin nangyari sa 25 years, no? Naalala ko pa nun nung ano ba yun? Nung gusto mo akong saksakin ng tinidor. Tinidor ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Tsaka nung binaril mo ko ng pellet gun. So, kasi sobrang kulit ko nun. Tapos nung ano ba to? Tatanong ka sa akin ng mga yung paano pa i-start yung sasakyan, yung kotse, ganon. Tapos sabi, paano ba itong i-start yung sasakyan na to, be? Sabi ko, naka-neutral ka, paano mo i-start? Tapos kita bigla. Pinababa na lang kita, and ako na yung nag-drive nun. Kaya nga, passenger princess ka kahit sa motor ko. All jokes aside, I just want to say na always put God first, okay? So, in your life, always put God first in your life. pray to Him, seek Him, magtapat ka sa Diyos natin, magtapat ka rin sa ministry mo dyan na binigay sa'yo, na pinagkaloob sa'yo, pinagkatiwala sa'yo yan, and pagtapatan mo yan. And you can always ask me kung saan ka nahihirapan. Hindi siguro kita sasabihin na, na wag ka magbago, stay as you are, ganun. Kasi kapag naman New Year, sabihin ko magbago ka na di ba? So, siguro ang appropriate term na lang dun is siguro change according to God's will. So, make God the center of your life because with Him, everything is possible, di ba? Ganun lang yon. So, hintay namin kayo nila Daddy tsaka ni Ate JM na makauwi kayo ni Mami and maging magkasama-sama tayo ulit after many years na hindi natin pagkasama-sama, lalo na kay Mami. So, stay healthy, ingat lagi sa pag-alis, and God bless you. Happy birthday, love you!
Hi Jade, I was asked to create a video greeting for you and honestly, I don't know where to start. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi you and I, we were so alike. Ayaw natin ang inuutusan. Gusto natin, gagawin natin siya kasi gusto natin and not because we're told to. Just like when Mommy asked us to clean the house, wash the dishes, or fold our clothes, we'd rather do it on our own terms. Anyway, sobrang haba na ng intro na yun. But let me get to what I really want to say. Life has felt a little incomplete since you left for France. There were nights when I felt so empty that I end up crying to Russell because I missed you so much. I missed your presence in my apartment. I missed how you were always just one call away whenever I needed something. And I even miss how messy you are with your things. But more than anything, I miss having my sister close. Someone I can laugh with, cry with, and just be true, and just be my true self around. I know this is supposed to be a birthday greeting, but I want everyone who hears this to know how amazing you are. Not just as a sister, but as a best friend. You are such a blessing to me and to our family, and I always thank God for your life. I want you to know how proud I am of you and everything you've become. I truly believe that you're capable of achieving even greater things. Kung ano man yung pangarap mo, whatever dreams you're chasing, just know that I'm always here for you, ready to support you in any way I can. Just like how I always brag you about my friends. Sabi ko, sobrang thankful ako to have you as my sister. Thank you for being an ate, even to someone older than you. Jade, I know this message is getting long, so I'll end up with this. I pray that the Lord continues to bless you and surround you with His favor. Keep serving Him and trusting His plans for your life. Happy birthday, Jade. Love, Ate.
Jade, this is my short message for you. Happy birthday, Nak. Alam mo, Nak, watching you grow has been the greatest gift of my life. Or no matter how old you get, you'll always be my little girl. I pray for your happiness, divine protection, wisdom, strength, confidence, and success every day. May this year brings you closer to your goals and fill your hearts with lots of happiness. Lagi kang manalangin, Nak. Always pray. Continue serving Him. Always remember, palagi mong pakatandaan, Daddy loves you. Again, happy birthday. God bless you always, Nak.